What's up, guys? Today just wanted to talk to you real quick about this White Lightning wax and lube combo. I have been using this for the past couple of years. I have 4 different bikes that I use this on, and I really like the performance of this. It's super simple. All you do is just twist off the top. You have a nice little applicator on there, which lets you get into the chain really nicely, and just kind of the smaller parts of your bike, you can access them. My experience with this so far has been that everything runs so much smoother when I have a fresh coat of this on. So I like to do this about once a month to all my bikes. I ride pretty much every day, and they definitely take a bit of a beating, but this definitely protects my bikes and keeps them running really smooth. So highly recommend it. Check it out. Great little product here. As always, you can find an affiliate link in the description below if you want to check this product out yourself.